What's up everybody, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. And so far in the DTF series, we've shown you how to print DTF transfers, how to use those DTF transfers for print on demand, and the time and cost effectiveness of DTF transfers. So in this video, we're going to show you 10 different ways that you can use DTF transfers with your Keyprint Co. Platens at your print shop. Let's get into it. So the first item we're going to do is a trucker hat, because a trucker hat is one of the most classic and most used items that you'll find at any print shop. Now, in order for this, we're going to have to use the Captain Platen meant for heat press. So, you take the platen, you put it on the setup station, and then we're going to take our trucker hat, we're going to undo the back, make sure there's nothing inside of here, and then you're going to put the bill through the front bar. You tuck the sweatband in from the right side, and from the left side. Make sure it's nice and straight. Smooth out the print surface area, engage the locking bar, and you're done. From here, all you're gonna have to do, unlock the platen, and then take it over to the heat press for heat pressing. So this is really cool because it'll give you one of two options. You could use DTF, obviously, but if you're a smaller crafter, you can also use something like vinyl or any other type of patch or transfer. So this is gonna be a really cool first item to start with. So for our next item, we're going to be doing koozies. And what you want to do is take your face mask platen, put a 3x4 top plate on top of it, and then set it up on your setup station. Then take the koozie, put it on top of the print surface area, grab the hoop that comes with your platen, and just secure it down. From here, all you have to do is transport it over to your heat press, and you're ready to go. This next item is a personal favorite of mine, because people ask for it all the time, and that's the front pocket of a hoodie. So you have one of two options for this one. You can either use the 3x4 top plate like we've been using, or you can use the 3x6 poly top plate that also comes with your face mask kit. So we're gonna use this one for now. We're gonna set it up on our setup station. We're gonna take our hoodie, and you're gonna place the pocket over the top plate exactly where you want the print to land. Then you wanna take the hoop that comes with your platen and secure it down. Now you may have not even noticed, but one of the biggest things we're doing is ensuring that the print lands exactly where we want it. If you've already done DTG printing, you know that it's a little difficult to gauge exactly where the print is going to land. Whether it's going to be off center, whether it's going to be a little crooked. This gives you 100% assurance that the print is going to land exactly where you want it to on the pocket. There's also worth mentioning that this happens to be a color that's going to discolor if we put pre-treat on it. So because we're cutting that entire stage out already, you don't have to worry about any of that. From here, you just take your platen, you transport it over, and you're good to go. This next placement is really important for anybody who does clothing lines or print on demand orders, and that's the inside neck tags. So what you want to do is you want to take the 3x4 top plate like we've been using already, put it on your face mask platen, put it on your setup station, and then you want to take the collar of the t-shirt and slide the whole thing under the top plate. Then you want to let the rest of the t-shirt fall under the top plate, and you're ready to press. From here, optionally, you can also put the hoop if you want to secure it down a little more, but it's not necessary since you're going to be pressing down on it anyways. But for anyone who's doing clothing lines or print-on-demand orders, this is a must-have for your print shop. This next placement is a very particular one, and that's the short sleeve of a short sleeve t-shirt. So what you want to do is take the 3x4 top plate, put it on your platen, set the whole thing up on your setup station, then you want to grab the short sleeve. Now some t-shirts are going to have this printer's mark, which gives you a nice dead center. Otherwise, just to make sure that it's nice and straight, you want to take the cuff and you want to tuck that under the top plate, then just let the rest of the t-shirt fall under the print surface area. Optionally, you can take your hoop and you can secure it down a little more, but you don't have to since you're going to be pressing on top of it anyways. But that's how you print the short sleeve of a short sleeve t-shirt. This next placement is a really cool one. It's isolated prints on shorts. So again, you're gonna have one of two options. You can either use the 3x4 top plate or use the 3x6 top plate that both come with your face mask kit. So what you wanna do is take the shorts, grab the leg opening, put it over the top plate, then you wanna grab the hoop that comes with your platen and secure it down. From here, you're ready to press. Now this next placement is a bit of a niche one, and that's branding on shorts, leggings, and pants. So you might have already seen some companies that put their brand maybe back here on the upper hip or on one of the sides, and we're gonna show you guys how to do that. So you take your 3x4 top plate and you place the shorts over the top plate exactly where you want it to be. Now the key here is that you're able to isolate the print area to a very, very small specific area for you to put maybe a tiny logo or a tiny saying, and then you want to take your hoop that comes with your platen and you want to secure it down. Now that you have this isolated, secured area, you can put anything you want in a very small place. Because of this, you don't have to worry about seams, buttons, zippers, or anything like that interfering with the quality of your print, and you'll always be able to get the same consistent results every time. This next placement is a really interesting one, and it's the hood of a hooded sweatshirt. So you want to start off with your face mask platen, and then you want to take the hoodie and open up the hood. Then you want to make sure that it's exactly over the print surface area. You want to take the hoop that comes with your platen, and then you want to secure the whole thing down. Once it's nice and secured, you're ready to transfer it over to the heat press. So this platen is perfect for prints that run alongside the hood like this. This next placement was brought to you guys by popular demand, and that's how to decorate the side of a constructed hat. So here's how. You want to make sure you have the 3x4 top plate on your platen, and you want to put it on your setup station, grab your hat, put it sideways, and take the sweatband and tuck that under the top plate. Once you have it in this position, you can secure it down using your hoop. Once it's nice and secured, you can transport it over to your heat press and decorate it with any DTF transfer or vinyl of your choosing.
Now these final two placements are going to be on two different styles of bags, a fanny pack and a crossbody bag. And because we aren't using the hoop to secure it down, as we're just pressing it directly onto the face of the bag, we're showing you with the face mask platen already on the heat press adapter. So all you have to do for the fanny pack is just slide that front right over the top plate and then press. And then for the crossbody bag, we're using one of our transfers that we made in a previous video, placing that on the face of the bag, placing it right on top of the top plate, and pressing.
Thank you guys so much for watching our series on DTF. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter, linked down below, for 10% off your first purchase. And if you guys want to catch the other videos in this series, we'll also link them in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next one.